and welcome to Filipino React channel, guys. And for today's reaction video, guys, we're going to react a new song premiere of Zhou Shen featuring Ring the Doorbell. And yes, guys, this video, guys, I'm doing a silent reaction, guys, no interruption, guys, so that we can all enjoy the music, guys. Then my reaction and comments will be the end of this video, so I encourage you guys to watch until the end so that you know what I'm commenting about this new song premiere of Zhou Shen. But before, guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the notification as well. And if you have any suggestions, just comment down below, guys. So let's start!
很是，你有我的地址，信箱里有钥匙，没人知。你是我的眼泪，琴弦上的玫瑰，天亮时的排队，好词汇，我会自己按门铃，自己听。自己谋杀啦，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己谋杀啦，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。嘘，自己平静。以后我要整理你的手稿，把它们都卖掉，换传票。我是你的孩子，我懂你写的诗，我是你的橡皮，你的纸。自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己谋杀了，自己凋零。自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。就写到这儿，想你现在在哪儿？你一定不安宁，我证明。
Oh my god, it's absolutely another style of song he presented, and with full confidence. And wow, he's so amazing. Wow. And I can't describe how I feel this performance, guys. And wow, he rocked the doorbell, and he deserved to be in the top 2 for this time. So I love him. I love him. I love him. Oh my god. And yes, that's all. Because it's hard to explain, guys. Every time you react the video and you amazed that what you saw, it's hard. First, it's hard to explain, guys, for me. But Zhou Shen job well done. Yes, a perfect, incredible performance. And yes, bravo, bravo. And I think he is a phenomenal. Yes, phenomenal, absolutely stunning. Yes, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this reaction of video, guys. And I'm sorry that yes, I choose to silent throughout the video, guys. No interrupting the music because one of our viewers requested if I could not interrupt the music, guys. So I let the music play all along so that we can enjoy the music. And yes, guys, that would be all for today's reaction of video. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestions, just comment down below, guys. And yes, if you like this reaction video, just give me a thumbs up, guys. And see you later, guys. Bye.